guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Megan and I make videos every Wednesdays and Fridays. If you would like to stick around, please consider subscribing and follow me on Instagram, as well as leave a comment and turn on your bell notification if you would like to get that notification when I post. Please ignore my full batch. So today is very excited. I'm very excited for this video. About October, November time last year, my dad did my flooring in my bedroom. My whole bedroom used to have this like shitty brown carpet, which they put in all the houses when they build them. It was nasty, and I have it in my closet. But about January time, I took the carpet out. It was before I started my channel, so I didn't film it. Big regrets. But anyway, I took it out and now I'm ready to start putting the flooring in my closet. I've never done it before. I'm terrified that I'm gonna mess it up, but I've seen other people do it, so I'm sure I can do it. Going to need all the help I can get, so I'm going to ask my dad to show me how to do the first two, and then I'm gonna try and do it by myself. So wish me luck. But without further ado, let's get on. This is my closet. It's all really nice and pretty, and then you see the terrible flooring. It's like this green, it's just the flooring that they put in here as the base. This is what we're going to be covering because it's nasty. You're nasty. Shouldn't be too much because it's a small closet. First we need to remove everything. Finally got everything out of the closet, and it's all over my bedroom floor and on my bed. Now I just need to get this out of here. I can't get the last drawer up because of the step. This thing is super heavy, so please enjoy watching me struggle trying to get this out of the closet. Now it's time to just give the closet a little bit of a vacuum, because I know that if you don't clean it and it's got a lot of dust on it, the laminate flooring won't stick to it. So we're quickly going to vacuum, and then we're officially going to start laying down the flooring. I get so excited about little things like this. Before I could start vacuuming, my dad had to come in and remove the staples from the wires. This is the whole reason why we didn't actually do the flooring in my closet when we did the flooring in my bedroom. It was just a whole faff. So he's going to remove those so I can give the place a proper vacuum underneath the wires, because we cannot have any of the dust that sits under the wires. We are all clean and vacuumed, and we are ready to start laying the flooring down. My dad helped me to map out the flooring. Then he also cut around the annoying edges that I wouldn't have not been able to do. I mean, to be fair, my dad did do most of the work, I'm not going to lie to you, but he did guide on how to cut, measure out the flooring, stick them down, and that's quite nice because in the future I will then be able to do it myself. It's just around the corners and that I wouldn't have been able to do myself, so it was quite nice having him there just to guide me through and to do most of the work.
Put it on the pencil line, and you just cut the top into the top layer like that. And you just cut into the top layer here like that. From there, when you cut them this way, you're going to have to lay them on here like this. You're going to mark them, so you're going to measure from here, from there to here, which is going to be, so you measure
59.5.
59.5, so 59, so it's 595. You mark it like that, then you take this and you stick it on the edge, square on the edge. You've got to hold it flat against the edge. Then you draw a straight line like that. Check it again, just to make sure you haven't made a mistake. Right, that looks good. And now when you cut this one, you put it just over the edge. You put that there like that. Okay, the next one, I'm actually going to let you do it. You lean on there, you take that, and you just slide that across there. Watch your fingers. Okay. And now you just break it. Bend it. And cut the paper with that. You can cut it from the other side. Okay. You put the cut edge against the wall. The piece that you cut against the wall. Yep, it's correct. There you go. Okay, that's fine. you go. Look good, yeah. Now this side. Now, we're going to lay the next one, which is a full one. Peel it and you can stick that one down.
Okay, beautiful people, we finally finished. It took me no time at all, and my dad was super wonderful in helping me just figure out how to put them down, how to cut them. He did do a lot for me. Around the trickier areas, he did, because I'm useless. It's not perfect. It was my first time doing this, and I think I did a pretty good job considering I've never done it before. Let me show you what we've got so far. Eventually, I do need to paint the skirtings, but I'm actually going to do that in a separate video because I don't have any skirting paint, so that's another day. But let me show you what we've done. We'll start cleaning up and we'll start putting all my stuff back because it's all just a giant mess. But here we go. So ignore the mess, but here is the final product. Ah, so pretty. That is, I'm gonna mop the floor, so excuse the sticky dirt mark over there. Eventually, I'm going to repaint this whole wardrobe because it needs touch-ups. I also want to paint the skirtings. This has to be a separate video because obviously I don't have any paint, nor do I have any skirting paint, but it will come. So yeah, like I said, nothing is absolutely perfect. I didn't do a fabulous job. But I did a good enough job that I'm happy with it. So yeah, like I said, I didn't do a fabulous job, but I did enough of a good job to be happy with it myself. And what I will say is the best part about this sticky flooring, it's super easy to rip up and you can just replace it easily. I had to fix one or two of them and I did mess up on one of the panels, but it's fine. I put it the wrong way, but that's okay. No one's gonna see it. It's gonna have shoes on top of it, clothing overshadowing it, so it's not a big deal. I am ordering some things from Argos to replace some of the things in there, and then once those things arrive and once I've bought paint, then there'll be a separate video of where we're actually going to carry on. But in this video I just wanted to get the flooring done, which I'm really happy about. I'm really happy that the flooring is now totally coherent. But other than that, guys, let's clean up. Okay guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed the fact that I got to learn something new. Remember, you can always learn a new skill every single day, and I am slowly learning different ones every single day. Soon it'll be tiling. We'll see how much of a mess I make of that. But I'm really happy with the way my closet's looking. We're slowly building it up today. Obviously we just did the flooring, soon it'll be the skirtings, painting the whole closet, and then it'll be adding new decorations. So I definitely want to buy a swivel shoe stand. I'm all just a work in progress. A big massive thank you to my dad, who was very patient in teaching me what to do. So thank you, Dad. I really enjoyed learning how to lay flooring, and soon we'll do tiling together. We'll see how well that goes. And once again, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye guys!